Well, here it is, my last day, and I'm just going down to the beach for a couple hours before my hotel pickup. That's my room right there, 201. So I'm close to the lobby. And this is the road that goes down to the beach. So the sun's been up a couple hours, and yeah. Oh, here's the transport, but I'm gonna walk it because I'm filming it. These guys don't show up that frequently. So this is the hotel transport.
Let's go, Jim, no?
No, I'm walking.
Okay, ¿van para la Palapa?
Caminar, caminar.
Perfect.
It's okay.
¿Ustedes van para la Palapa? Lugares.
You go. I'm doing a tour.
Okay.
Okay, Luis, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Más tarde. Yeah, he was the guy that did the karaoke and the Trivial Pursuit. He's kind of like a hotel representative. So I'm walking with my different sandals today because my other ones were cutting into my feet. I like these flowers. These are orchids. But it's good exercise going up and down this road. I'm surprised that guy remembers my name. He must have been impressed with my product answer. Mi contessa says, no, es producto. I'm like, what? So that's what I said. And then last night karaoke. I think he liked my song. And I put down a request for I Think I Love You by the Partridge Family, but the internet went crazy. So they couldn't do that. So at least I sang I sang the House of the Rising Sun by the Animals. And my first time, and I don't know, and the karaoke is fun, so I hope to do that more. These are nice flowers here. Now we're getting closer to the main area down here where they have the pool. And enjoy the little things. Think positive, be positive, and positive things. Don't wait. The time will never be right. Yeah, those are good signs. A little bit of construction going on over here, but it's okay.
I win, Jim.
Huh?
I win.
You win? No, we got here at the same time. Here's the children's pool. It's a big hotel. And they have a little cruise ship here. This is a little internet port. Hola. Lots of pesos. But they look fake. I don't think this is real money. Looks like it's glued down. Fake pesos. So this is where the karaoke was last night. 3 days ago, the karaoke was up on top, up there in the lobby. And this bar opens at 7 o'clock, I think. And the other bar over here, the Palapa, de palapa. That's during the day. But nothing's open now. It's 9 o'clock. Nobody's allowed to drink the free alcohol we were promised. And they say it's a buffet here, but that's not really true. It's not really a buffet. This is more of a, you order your food, then they serve it to you. Hola. And then up there, that's the peninsula where you walk out there and you get a view. So here's the kayaks. I went out with those a few days ago. There's the families in the kiddie pool. And now I go down these steep steps to the beach. I don't know if my Regina friends are here right now. Yep, they're here again. They love this spot. There they are. That's Lisa and James. And it doesn't look too bad. I think I'm gonna go snorkel. There's a boat there, so I'm gonna give it a go. No necesito bota. This guy wants me to hire a fishing boat for $200 or something. So, anyways, this is my last morning here.